Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So let's start rebooting our work using UiPath. So today we are going to check about GitHub. So GitHub, so which is the platform is used to store our codes actually and collaborate with the codes. So for an example, so we have two developers A and B. So both developers are working in a separate platform, so which is separate system. So one is designing login and another is logout. So if we need to combine and collaborate both of the codes, so we need a platform like a GitHub. So it will be user friendly. It's used to collaborate our code, and basically it's used to store our code and make our daily backups. And there are several kind of actions in GitHub. So in GitHub you can make a pull, rebase, and restore, and all kind of actions we can be done in GitHub. So as of now, so we are going to check only how to download the videos from the GitHub. So why actually I was saying about in last two our videos, so we have checked like in arguments and in conditions, so we have put up a link called as like GitHub link. So we can use the particular link and we can directly download our workflow file which is shown on the screen. So it will be used for our reference. So if you are stuck somewhere, you can go here and check the particular files so that it will be get clarified on your doubts. So it will be easy and like it will be user friendly for our members of the YouTube. Let me quickly go to any of our YouTube channel. So one more thing I need to confirm here. So as I said before, like there is a kind of several actions which is request, restore, and compare and histories. So those options will be checked on later videos. Actually, this is an yearly call, so that you'll be aware like how to use this GitHub link, so that you can get benefit of this. So as we said before, like you can download and keep the reference, and you can practice by your own. Yeah. So let me go to any other videos. Copy her GitHub link, then go to Chrome. Sorry. So you can see all our codes over here. You can just click on this green button and click on download zip file. So it from this you can get the GitHub file actually. So which is showcased on our screen, previous screen. So you can come here. So actually you can see here which is downloaded. You can extract somewhere. Extract. So I have extracted here, so you can extract it somewhere also. So extract file. Let me extract some, and then workflow files. Not workflow files. Let me extract here. So let me quickly jump to the particular folder. So as of now, I just copy pasted the particular link, and then I have click on that green button which I shown here. Code. Click here, then click on download the files, so that you can download your file. You can see all your files which I shown in the videos is here actually. So you can just double click on the main. Yeah, so the resource or like dependencies creating workspace. Let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, you can see file is loaded now. So the same condition videos you can see if else if like if else while for each. So switch statement, each and every statement is here actually now. So likewise, you can go to our YouTube channel and you can get you the GitHub link, and then you can paste in your Chrome, and then you can download your code and keep it as a reference, so that it will be helpful for you when you are stuck in somewhere else. Yeah, this is the thing need to convey it here. Like, yeah, thanks for watching. Happy learning. Do subscribe, share. Have a good day. Bye.